In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rotate an image in Squarespace. Whether you're sprucing up your website or just need a quick edit, these steps are going to make the process feel like a breeze. Let's dive right in. First, you'll need to navigate over to Squarespace. Once you're on the main site, go ahead and click on Get Started. Squarespace is designed to be intuitive, so finding your way around should feel pretty natural. If you're already familiar with the user interface, this should be a walk in the park. Now, head to the specific page where you want to crop or rotate your image. To do this, find the Website section and click on Pages. This will allow you to access all the different sections and pages that you've been working on. It's a good idea to ensure you've selected the correct page, especially if you're managing multiple projects or sites. With your page chosen, look for the image you wish to modify. Click on it, and you'll notice a pencil icon appears. This is your cue. Click on the pencil icon and then choose Edit. These icons are how Squarespace lets you know you're in the right place to make changes. Once in the edit mode, find the crop icon. Now, herein lies the treasure chest of options for your image. You will see choices that allow you to rotate the image 90 degrees to the left or to the right. This feature gives you the flexibility to ensure that your image is perfectly oriented, whether it's a simple 90-degree turn or a full flip. If your image needs a bit more precise tweaking, under the image, you'll find a handy slider to help you straighten it if needed. This little tool allows you to make those tiny adjustments that can make all the difference in how your image appears on your site. It's the small details that often levy the greatest impact. Now that you've fine-tuned your image to your liking, make sure you click Save to apply these changes. This is an important step to not skip, as it ensures all your hard editing work doesn't get lost in the internet ether. And there you have it, the final step. Once your adjustments are saved, click the Publish button. This will upload your changes to your live site for all your viewers to see. It's always a good idea to do a quick check on your live site to ensure everything looks just the way you want it. Rotating an image in Squarespace is that simple. With a little maneuvering and attention to detail, your images will look exactly right. Thanks for tuning in, and happy editing.